The Mahila Jagat Lihaz Samiti, or Society for Respect for Women and the Environment, is implementing a unique, low-cost and eco-friendly infrastructure development project at the Rani Kajal Jeevan Shala residential school that it runs for Bhil Adivasi Children at Kakrana village on the banks of the river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. This project is generously supported by the philanthropic organizations Ek Hope, Jain Seva Mission, and Cricket for Cause. The RKJS is a one-of-a-kind school that seeks to teach the Bhil Adivasi children a modern curriculum while retaining their own rich, nature-friendly and labor-intensive culture.
રાણી કાજલ માતા આપણી છે સુંદર બાપા આપણા છે એ આપણા જાજલા તહેવાર રે આપણો આદિવાસી
So, along with their academic studies, which begin in their own Bhili language before Hindi and English are introduced, the children work on the farm that is there in the campus. A considerable amount of cereals, pulses, and vegetables are produced organically. Now, to enhance the availability of manure for the farming and also that of milk, a cow shed is proposed to be built. This will be built with rammed earth walls and brick arch roofs to save on both economic and ecological costs of cement, sand, and steel. The manure from the cow shed, along with the toilet waste and the green waste from the kitchen, will be digested in a biogas plant to provide energy for cooking. Furniture for the school in the form of tables, chairs, and cots will be made from bamboo, which is locally available, thus once again saving on economic and ecological costs.